Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right tools and opening the work area. You remove visible screws and use a trim tool to release clips. Do this gently to avoid breaking plastic. Once the inner panel is loose, lift the door card up and off the top lip, exposing the inner mechanism. Make sure the window is down to avoid interference and keep screws in a tray. You're now ready to access the lock rod and actuator without guessing where each fastener belongs. You unplug the actuator connector because powering things while loose risks damage. Next, remove the Torx bolts holding the actuator and its bracket. Set bolts aside by size. Then detach the plastic retainer clips on the lock rods, squeeze and slide with pliers to avoid bending rods. Once clips are off, free each linkage and rotate parts out of the way. You'll see the actuator and lock cylinder fully exposed. Inspect for broken tabs or corrosion before pulling the assembly out. You extract the lock assembly with a steady pull. If it binds, check for hidden screws at the cylinder and remove them. Install the new or rebuilt unit by reversing steps. Seat assembly, reattach rods in original orientation, snap clips until they click, and torque bolts snug. Once done, reconnect the actuator harness and battery negative. Test lock and key operation, both remote and manual. If the lock sticks, try cleaning and lubricating the linkages and actuator gears. That fix solves most binding issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.